Hey, what's going on, guys? Hope you're doing fantastic today. My name is Tyson here with Repair My Funnel, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about webhooks inside of ClickFunnels 2.0. Now, specifically, we're going to be touching on a new feature that was just released, which is the ability to select specific funnels and pages for your webhooks inside of the platform. So, with that said, let's head over to my screen here, and I'll show you where to go and everything you need to know about it. Starting off, let's go ahead and click on Workspace Settings in the bottom left-hand side of the screen. From there, you'll see a new left-hand navigation where you'll want to select Webhooks, this guy right here. From here, it'll bring you to the Webhook Endpoint page, which is what we're looking at right now. After that, go ahead and click on either add a new endpoint or go and edit or click on settings for an existing one that you already have set up. Now, I'm going to click on add new just for the example here. But on this page right here for the endpoint itself or the endpoint setup, just scroll to the bottom until you see endpoint scopes. All right, this is the new section that was just added where you can then select the funnel and page, or you can do individual ones, doesn't matter. You can specify as much as you want or as little as you want, but this will allow you to select individual areas inside of the platform that you want to keep an eye on for different events. All right. Now, if you're curious as far as how to find stuff, just click on these little areas here that are currently blank under either funnel or pages, and it'll show a drop down where you can either type in the name of the funnel or scroll until you find the right one. All right. Otherwise, for pages, same thing. Just click on that, scroll down, find the one you're looking for, or type it in right here. And after that, just select the one you want to use. And it will show a little pop-up going over the different event types that are currently eligible. All right, there it is. All these guys right here are currently the available options that you have at your fingertips, depending on what you're trying to achieve. But there's that. That's all you have to know here in this case. Very simple video. I just want to point this out for you and walk you through the area that you need to be aware of for this new update. Anyways, that is it, guys. If you have any questions around anything that we covered here today, make sure to let me know down below, and we'll make sure to point you in the right direction, answer your questions, and all the good stuff. All right. Thanks for watching. Again, have a fantastic rest of your day, and we will talk to you later.